There's nothing quite like cooking over a cast iron skillet outdoors. The pre-seasoned cast iron cook set includes a 10-inch fry pan, 3-quart chicken fryer, and 4-quart Dutch oven. The included lid is interchangeable for all pieces in the set, and accessories include a Dutch oven lid lifter and a hot handle holder. The cast iron set comes pre-seasoned and evenly distributes heat when cooking. Even heating means faster cooking without having to manage the heat source or rotate the pans. If your campsite doesn't have a grill, we've got you covered. Our cast iron campfire tripod and our heavy-duty grill rack are both great additions when cooking over the fire. Both items are sold separately. The rustic look of cast iron, matched with long-lasting construction, has a rich history in outdoor cooking, but is frequently used for indoor cooking as well. The pre-seasoned cast iron cook set is one of our most versatile products, offering an ease to cooking from your home kitchen to the cabin to the great outdoors.